Alright folks, it's time to talk about my favorite feature of PowerPoint 2007, and that is themes. When you're talking about the design of your presentation, there are a number of built-in themes for you to select from that do all of the work, saving you all kinds of time and effort. Right now we're working on ECP4A. I see that up here from the previous lesson. If you're skipping to this lesson, no problem. Go to the Office button, click the Open button, navigate to your Lesson 4 folder of your exercise files, and open up this one here, ECP4B. When you open up that one, you'll be caught up with the rest of us. So this presentation that we're looking at here has a number of slides that have content, but they also have a design or a look and feel. And that's because a theme has already been applied. If I go down to my status bar down here at the bottom, you'll see Trek is the current theme that's being used to give my presentation the look and feel that you see here. Okay. We also have on the Design tab up here on the ribbon a number of themes in the Themes group. Now we don't see their names until we hover over them, but watch what else happens as we hover over one of these themes. It actually changes on screen down below to give us a live preview of what that slide would look like if we were to select the theme we're hovering over. So I'm going to go over here and click back on my title slide, so I'm at the first one, and see what the title slide is going to look like if I were to select any one of these themes. And you can see this one's called Concourse. This one here, as I hover over it, Equity pops up. Each of them has a name. Now these themes are actually made up of a number of things like color schemes, certain fonts are being used, and effects as well. Now we can work on those individually, or by selecting a theme, we get the whole package. Now we're not seeing all of the themes here that are available. If we go just past the last one here on the ribbon, you'll see there's a drop down where we can click to see more themes. And there are more listed down here. Again, as we hover over them, we see their names, and we also see a live preview of what our presentation is going to look like if we were to select that theme. So we're going to come down to this one here, the second last one called Urban, and we'll give it a click. What it does is it actually changes every slide in our presentation to take on this new theme. This new theme is made up of colors, it's made up of certain fonts, it's also made up of certain effects. So choosing a theme is very simple. Now you can also create your own themes. So if we go to this drop down where we can see more themes again, you may have noticed down at the bottom, first of all, there's more themes on Microsoft Office Online, so if you're connected to the internet, you can have access to all kinds from the Microsoft Office site. We can browse for themes if we've got them stored elsewhere on our computer, or when we start manipulating the fonts and the effects and the backgrounds and the color schemes, etc., we can save those combinations into our own themes. So keep that in mind as you're working on the slides, and as we work through this topic, we're going to be working with backgrounds and font schemes and color schemes and so on. So just so you know, you can create your own theme if you don't see something that you like that's already downloaded here to your computer or that's online at Microsoft.com. Alright, so that covers themes. Pretty simple to change the look and feel of your document by selecting one of the themes. But if you want to drill down a little bit deeper and change the effects or the background or the colors, you can do that too. We're going to look at changing the effects for a theme coming up next.